So thank you so much for being here and for recognizing the importance of this week, the importance of mental health. Everything we're doing this week is to support the mental health of our community, and the funds raised all week long are going to be put towards the Child and Youth Waiting Room at the new Community Health Hub. We have been so fortunate to have the ability to expand the child and youth mental health programming in the region, and this waiting room is tailored to the needs of youth and children to make sure that they feel comfortable while they're waiting for care and to make sure that they have the best possible experience while getting their mental health services here in our community. So thank you so much for supporting our cause. Thank you for making your own mental health a priority. This morning for our kickoff, we have a few words from Waypoint's President and CEO, Carol Lambie. We have the Mayor of the town of Penetanguishene, Mayor Doug LaRue. We have the Mayor of Midland, Stuart Strathern, the Mayor of Tiny Township, as well as the Warden of Simcoe County, George Cornell, and the Mayor of the Township of Tay, Ted Walker. So thank you so much for sharing your messages with us and for being such a strong support for Waypoint and for mental health in our community. I also want to do a big shout out to the sponsors who are making this week possible. I don't know if you've seen the tally so far, but we've already raised more than $20,000 towards our goal. So this is fantastic. We are well on our way to making this child and youth waiting room a possibility. So thank you so much. If you haven't registered, you can go to our website, waypointcenter.ca, and you can register there or make a donation in support of one of the many participants who will be running, walking, canoeing, biking, doing something active next Saturday for the fundraising event. So our sponsors, we have Brissett Concrete and Forming, Midland Honda, Pure Country and the Dock 104, Canadian Tire, HDR Graham Partners, Viva, Mark and Carol Cruden, Gilcon Construction, Adco Tire, Pat Lalone Fencing, Miller Thompson, Team Hawk, iSecurity, CompuSolve, Leclerc Cremations, and we also have a number of local businesses that are giving a portion of their sales to this cause. So we have Foodland, who Foodland and Penetang will be giving $2 at the checkout to Waypoint in support of this program. On Tuesday, May 4th, the Kitty Hawk Cafe is donating a portion of their proceeds. If you haven't been, the Kitty Hawk Cafe is a great new spot in Penetanguishene, and they do takeout, so you can grab a coffee, charcuterie plate, whatever you like, and they are there waiting for you. It's a great new spot in Penetang. On Wednesday, we have Harvey's. Harvey's has been a wonderful longtime supporter of mental health. We also have world famous Doc Lunch, and we are so thankful to Doc Lunch and Pier 21 for always supporting Waypoint and mental health initiatives. Captain Ken's will also be donating $2 from every hoagie purchased. Now, Ken's has been amazing. They supported our staff when we had an outbreak. They have been unbelievably supportive of frontline workers and continue to be supporting. Phil's, which I think that's Phil. Sorry, Phil's was doing that, and Ken's has been an amazing support long-term for us. Phil's has been donating a portion of their proceeds on Saturday, and they have been really supporting frontline workers all the way along. So thank you to Phil and the team there. So lots of great partners. Thank you all for coming today, and I hope you enjoy the week. There's lots of great activities. There's music, there's wellness activities, physical activities, and we have some really great experts coming to talk to you all week long. So that's it for me. So we are going to turn it over to Carol Lambie and to all of our local municipal leaders who have been so supportive of mental health. Thank you so much, and we will see you soon.
Good morning, and welcome to the launch of Get Your Mental Health in Motion, a week to be well, presented by Brissett Concrete Forming, Midland Honda, Pure Country 106 and 104.1 The Dock. I'm Carol Lambie, and I'm the President and CEO of Waypoint Center for Mental Health Care. I want to thank you for joining me today and all of this week for our annual fundraiser. This year has not been easy. 78% of Canadians say their mental health has been impacted by COVID-19. Supporting the mental well-being of our community is critical. Get Your Mental Health in Motion is an opportunity to improve your mental health while supporting your local mental health hospital at the same time. This year, our focus is expanding our family, child, and youth mental health program. Your participation this week will help these families right here in our community as all funds raised will help update the Child and Family Waiting Room at the Community Health Hub as these services expand. New furnishings and activities for the specialty waiting room will provide a space that is welcoming, comforting, and safe, physically, mentally, and emotionally. The room is designed to reduce anxiety during visits, offer a space to play and have fun while waiting for an appointment, and increase receptivity to healthcare services. With your help, we'll raise the $25,000 needed to improve this space for children, youth, and their families. Today is the first day of Mental Health Week that was introduced in Canada in 1951 by the Canadian Mental Health Association. This year's theme is Get Real about how you feel. With the pandemic alarmingly affecting mental health, we thought it was the perfect time to transition Get Your Mental Health in Motion to the spring as part of many Mental Health Week activities across the province. All of this year's events will take place online, reaching homes across the region and promoting mental health for the whole family. The week wraps up with the Choose Your Own Adventure virtual 5K. Walk, run, kayak, bike, paddleboard, the possibilities are endless. Get moving for your mental health. We're so grateful for the community support we've received for this event. We have new sponsors and partners on board this year, as well as a number of businesses who are supporting our efforts by donating a portion of their sales to the cause throughout the week. Thank you to our title sponsors, Brissette Concrete Forming, Midland Honda, Pure Country 106, and 104.1 The Dock. Thank you also to Gilcon Construction, Canadian Tire Midland, Team Hawk Realty, CompuSolve, Miller Thompson, Carol and Mark Cruden, Pat Lalone Fencing, Adco Tire, HGR Graham Partners, Leclerc Cremation, Viva, Penetanguishene Foodland, Cafe Kitty Hawk, Harvey's Restaurant, World Famous Dock Lunch, Phil's Casual Dining, and Captain Ken's. Without your support, we wouldn't be able to continue to advance the understanding of mental illness. I also want to thank our area mayors, Doug LaRue of Penetanguishene, Stuart Strathern of Midland, Ted Walker of Tay Township, and George Cornell from Tiny Township, who will follow me with their own remarks about the importance of looking after your mental health.
Hello, bonjour. I am Doug LaRue, Mayor of Penetanguishene. We have now been in the pandemic for more than 1 year, and this last year has been a difficult time for everyone, both mentally and physically. With all of that has happened over the course of the pandemic, it's more important than ever to check in with our family, friends, and other members of our communities. This week, I encourage each of you to get your mental health in motion alongside Waypoint Center for Mental Health Care. Waypoint has organized a full week of wellness and physical activities that your entire family can enjoy virtually. Please make your own mental health and the mental health of our community a priority this week.
Hello, I'm Stuart Strathern, Mayor of the Town of Midland, and I'd like to welcome you to Get Your Mental Health in Motion Week, running May the 3rd to the 9th. Taking care of one's mental health is always important, and never more so than during the COVID-19 pandemic. I encourage all residents to safely enjoy some time outside, either by yourself or with your family, and get your mental health in motion.
Hello, I'm Ted Walker, Mayor of the Township of Tay. On behalf of Council, staff, and residents, I want to extend a warm welcome to all the participants of the Mental Health in Motion Week from May 3rd to 9th. This year has not been easy. In the wake of the pandemic, supporting the mental well-being of our community is critical. I encourage all residents to get involved and participate in a variety of events, from mindfulness, wellness music, to physical activities that will all help promote mental well-being for the entire family. Please support this important initiative. Your donation and contribution will go to help children, youth, and families in our communities. The money raised will be used to create a child and family waiting room at the Community Health Hub. Together, let's make mental health a priority and support one another. I encourage everyone to get your mental health in motion. Have a wonderful week and be well. Thank you.
Hello, bonjour, Annie. It is my pleasure to help virtually kick off Get Your Mental Health in Motion Week. As Mayor of the Township of Tiny and Warden of the County of Simcoe, I know that Waypoint supports not only our local community, but people from across the region. We are fortunate to have it so close to home. Before COVID-19, 1 in 5 Canadians were predicted to experience mental health in their lifetime. The pandemic has heightened this experience and awareness. Overall, increasing impacts on mental health have been reported since the onset of the pandemic. Through virtual events like Get Your Mental Health in Motion, we can build a strong sense of resiliency for our entire community to be a part of. The county has been pleased to support Waypoint in area mental health initiatives, including investing almost $1.3 million in Waypoint since 1994 through the Simcoe County Hospital Alliance and more through awareness and training programs. We have adapted health and emergency services to maximize regional resources by expanding our community paramedicine program and facilitating childcare to allow caregivers to keep working. Rest assured, you are never alone, and if you need help, reach out. There are resources and specialists here for you. Now more than ever, it's time. Get your mental health in motion. To all the frontline workers and leadership team at the Waypoint Center, from the bottom of my heart, thank you, merci, miigwech, stay safe, and together we are stronger. Thank you.
Well, thank you all so much for coming this morning, and we hope to see you this week for the great events. Check out the full list of activities online, and we will see you there. And on Saturday, get out with your families and be active however you'd like. It's really just about safely exercising and doing something for your mental well-being, because as it's been said a few times, this year has not been easy. And being outside and finding these moments to take care of yourself is so important. So be safe, be well, and we will see you this week. Thanks so much. Bye.